Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the shadow position on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here open editor, click on that. So for changing the shadow position, first you just need to upload an image and then you just need to add the shadow. So for adding the shadow, here on the top, here is an option. You can see here edit, click on that. And then here is an option, you can see here shadow, and on the right side of that you can see that it had been turned off. So by clicking it, you can turn it on, and from and then you can see that you had been turned on the shadow. And for changing the position of the shadow, here is a section, you can here is an option, you can see here position presets, and from here you can just choose the shadow position from here. And then you can see that you had been changed the shadow position on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.